So hi guys! Today ay mag-unboxing tayo. This is a gift from Sir JV through Cicero. So gusto ko mag-thank you kay Sir JV for this wonderful gift. Thank you Sir JV. May God bless you more and your family as well. So ito ay dumating noong May 5. Ngayon ko lang siya i-unbox guys kasi kauuwi ko lang. So, dito ko siya pinadeliver na sa province namin. So, tchanan! Ouch! Sorry. Wow! It's a professional condenser microphone. Microphone to guys. With live sound card. Wow! Thank you, Sir Liam. He-notice na wala akong microphone and sound card, kaya sabi niya, ay, may ipapadala siya. So, I'm very thankful. Wow! So, let's open it, guys. Tingnan natin yung laman. Thank you, Sir G. Tingnan natin yung laman, guys. Grabing tigas. Ayaw magpabukas.
Dito ka lang.
Wow! Hala, cutie! Ang cute, guys! May manual siyang kasama. Broadcasting and recording microphone. Wow! Hindi, warranty card pala to, not manual. Hello! Ang ganda niya, guys! May wire. Kompleto. For the mic. Pakita ko yung mic sa inyo. Ang pretty. Hala, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng color. And then this one, may kasama siyang ganito. It's my first time to unbox microphone na ganito. Professional microphone. And then may kasama siyang ganito, guys. Kayo na mag-adjust. Anong tawag nito? Parang let's see this. Oh, see. Ito yung pinaka-stand niya. How about this one? Ah. Ang ganda! Pretty, guys! Yay! Sa wakas! Makakapagkanta na tayo with music background. May kasama tong ganito. And then, this is the sound card. Kahit nakakapag-open ako ng ganito, nakakalimutan ko pa. Ay! Cutie! Ang ganda! Yeah, ang dami niyang wire. Two wires. I mean cord pala. Then this one also. Ang cute! Wala, ang pretty. May kasama siyang manual. Hala, ang ganda guys. Thank you. Thank you, Sir JB. Sound card. And then, ready to sing na tayo. Set up na lang natin to guys. And then, this, ang aking Yay! Thank you! Thank you so much, Sir JV, for the wonderful gift. God bless you more. Thank you also to Cicero. Thank you. Now I can sing. You know, with music background, and I can do better if we if we do our singing session. Yay! Parang ayokong gamitin kasi ang ganda. Hindi ako sanay. Thank you, Sir Jade. Thank you also guys for your support. Thank you sa pagmamahal. Love you all.